Okay.
Hey guys,
welcome back to Itstiasiajay's channel, and today we're going to be doing the slime challenge. Shut up, Kaylee! Jesus!
Messing everything up! Hey guys, welcome back to Itstiasiajay's channel. Today we will be doing the slime challenge.
Yeah. Okay, we doing white slime first.
Let's get to it.
We're doing white slime
first we're going to do white slime.
Well, I don't know why she put freaking water in it.
Yeah, that was a little stupid. We doing the whole thing?
A little.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna make one. I don't think I'm gonna make one.
Yeah. Why are you
stupid?
We not supposed to make the whole thing? Yeah, you tell me that. Why you put in the thing before you put in the color?
I don't put in the color first.
Oh.
Why would you?
Because that's smart. Because are you putting in shaving cream?
This is gonna be a fail because Kaylee put water in it.
You can obviously go get the detergent. It's right there.
This thing sucks.
It is?
Don't use all of it. Jesus.
There's a whole nother part there.
Where's the detergent?
It's not working?
No. It sucks.
Just go get the detergent. It's okay. It's okay. We can fix that. We can fix that.
No, yours broke. I mean, yours not activated.
Oh. Let's see what freaking water in here. Are you stupid?
Does anybody wear?
Exactly. What am I?
Exactly. Mine's working.
Mine's not working.
I don't know.
you ain't putting no thing in it. You don't know.
What are you talking about?
I really hope this.
Oh, my yellow color. Yay.
I think mine's gotta be a fail.
It probably will be.
Because I don't make slime like these two. I don't even do these type of things. What is this called? Fluffy slime, ain't it? Isn't that what it's
Oh,
called?
yeah, let me use that.
Oh, well, never mind. It's coming together.
It is?
Yeah, put the...
Mine's pink.
Mine is...
Mine's
Yours is
yellow.
supposed to be red.
No.
I don't even have food coloring in mine.
You can go get it. It's right here.
I want mine.
Oh, guys, we're using paint, by the way.
Yeah, woo.
We get it.
No, we just couldn't find it.
Got to.
This is, like, it's coming, but it's
Mine
not.
is like big.
Mine is a little chunky.
Mine isn't chunky. Mine is going to be really smooth. After it actually.
Mine sucks.
Mine's together.
Oh, yours is baby blue, though. That's pretty.
Yeah, but mine sucks. Why are y'all so good? Mine are so good.
Because at first you put too much water
Yeah,
reactivator.
you probably put too much water reactivator. You got to put a little bit of water.
Yeah, first of all, you're supposed to not put a lot.
Shut up.
of
Leave me
And
alone.
first,
Why did I touch it? I did the.
Why'd you put the activator inside of it before the, like, the rest of
You gotta let the elements soak in.
elements?
Yes. The elements.
What is that? Oh, you mean like
What is
water,
going
wind, and earth and fire?
Can you put some shaving cream inside mine?
You talking to me?
No, I'm talking to Jesus.
Right?
Kaylee, you're not in the
You
camera.
good? Yes.
Kaylee, go.
Let me see.
This is not working.
Honestly, I think mine is.
Look, put some more glue in. Put some of this in. Why are you still putting in that water?
Yeah, why are you-
What are you talking
It's not
about?
gonna work.
It's right here. Put the activator.
Hey, pour some in there.
Oh. I don't even know what you're talking about. I poured out the water reactivator.
Yes, you did.
Because I don't mess mine up.
I don't think it really messed it up. I just think you put a little bit too much.
Why is it so gooey?
Why is mine like this?
Slime.
Okay.
Dang.
Pour the
Why
rest.
is it?
Yo, we should have got a lotion.
I like how everybody sees.
Do you have lotion, please?
And everybody's watching.
Now go get your
I don't have
Victoria's
lotion.
Secret.
No, girl. That's good lotion. You don't use.
Go get the Vaseline lotion. I don't know. Go get
I
lotion.
don't have I don't wear lotion.
Oh.
I
Should
go
we ashy?
I go anywhere ashy.
That's something.
Yeah, we didn't see that yet, actually. Mine's
I didn't put on
stringy.
lotion today.
No, I did.
Oh, I don't know what's going on with yours, baby.
What's wrong with mine?
Mine is coming together. I'm proud of
I
myself.
can't even freaking touch mine.
Exactly. Morgan slime is good. Oh, there you go. Yeah, now you're
put more glue in mine. I think that was
Did you use it all?
no.
Dang, now I got a big slime. Morgan used all her glue, so she.
No, I didn't. I have some more.
A little bit.
No, I have a lot.
I thought you used it all because you were like, mine.
No, I got like half. I have half left. I don't have like a lot. But
I have like
You
the
just
whole
said you
bottle
have a lot.
left.
well, like half is.
I didn't use a lot. I just put a bunch of shaving cream in it.
Okay, this is nasty. I hate this challenge already.
That's not.
I
mine.
think clear slime.
Yeah, I think the clear slime would be better.
Definitely.
But me and Nala got some more glue, so we might be able to make another white slime.
I'm not making another white slime, girl. You see this right here? No. Mine failed in the first place because of you.
I know we should have got Walgreens glue.
You need Walgreens glue.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is some cheap glue.
Walgreens glue. $80.
80.
It's like $8 for some glue.
No,
You know,
it's
it was-
$1.40,
yeah, it was $1.
$49.
That's not how I work. Get some glue.
I'm gonna put this on the countertop.
Don't do that. Don't put it on the countertop.
I'll clean it.
No, because it's going to get stuck.
How's it gonna get stuck? It's already on the countertop right here.
Y'all stuff is ugly.
Mine is.
Y'all stuff is ugly.
Like, mine is ugly too. Okay,
What's going
this is a
on?
fail.
No, it's not.
Mine is failing.
I'm putting my.
Nala, yours is actually pretty good.
No, it's not. What do you see?
Do you see what I see?
No.
Bro, what is this? What is
Okay.
this? What is this?
Mine is literally water. Okay.
No, it's it's dripping.
I know it's dripping.
Put some more stuff in mine.
No.
That's what's messing my slime up.
Then what did you want?
Activator.
Why did you say that?
She did.
No, she said some of that stuff. Do you see how much?
Okay. Trying to overact it. Trying to cheat. She just got to cheat to cheat.
What?
She created a whole new saying.
Okay. She just got a cheat. What? I can't even grab it.
Okay. We get somewhere.
No, we're not.
Yes.
This is.
I'm getting somewhere. I don't care what nobody says.
Okay, mine become a little strange, eh?
What? What?
Bro, what
Yours
is that, Nala? Yours
Dollars
dripping.
is dead.
Leave me alone.
Put some more glue in it. Maybe it'll revive it.
I'm just gonna forget it. I'm just using the rest of my glue.
What? Nala, no, don't use it all.
Guys.
Oh my God, Nala, you need some more activator because it's making water inside of that means you need some more activator.
Somebody give me some more activator. Shoot.
Okay.
Yo, we need.
Mine's coming together.
We need some
My
lotion.
glue fell in the.
That's
How
Put
was
some more glue in it. That's what you get for putting too much activator.
Shut up, buddy.
Where did that kids go?
Well, it's your fault because if you would have never used that watery stuff in the first place, my
True.
slime
You're
would
the
never
person who used most of your water.
Why
Now you
not?
see all that water stuff in there? That's slime. Inside your bowl. That's glue and shaving cream. You need to put some more activator inside your bowl. Maybe it'll come
You
together.
see this junk? This is activator.
Look at my slime.
I'm getting somewhere.
My slime's so pretty.
I would have said pretty.
She just got to cheat to cheat.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, I used too much.
Oh my gosh,
Mila.
you dummy.
These are too warm.
It's really not. Oh, mine is good, y'all.
Yes, look at mine.
I just need some lotion and I'll be fine.
Y'all got some Vaseline lotion?
Y'all don't got no lotion? What's going on?
Nala got lotion. She just
I
don't
know
want
she
to give it.
We're not gonna use a lot. Like we only gonna use a little bit. You act like we're not even gonna
My
use.
slime.
We can't even use it with the clear stuff because it's gonna.
Exactly, it's gonna make it nut. That's why we only got one try to make it clear.
Guys, now this is a fail.
Nyla, I can help you. Do you want help?
No.
I think she needs help. She
I
doesn't.
want it yellowed.
Oh, my son's so cute.
Let me see.
Oh my God, you're getting your nasty little green hands inside of my slime.
I'm going to get some lotion. Get some napkins, actually.
Well, the people whose slime came together, it's napkins.
Look at my slime, Tia.
Look at mine. Then look at mine. Look.
Don't look at Why you bullying me? I'm gonna make it over here, okay?
Look at yeah, she seems so proud. Look at my slime.
Guess what? I'm gonna make 2 different colors.
She don't know what she did.
Nala don't know how to make slime.
Nala, I don't know what happened to hers, but it was going somewhere.
Yeah, it was a really cute blue until she put too much.
I don't know.
Everything.
Yours is ugly.
Who's ugly?
Ugly green.
That's why mine is put together.
Oh.
Why yellow green? Not yellow.
Oh, because I put a lot of shaving cream in it, so.
What does
Yeah.
that have to do?
The activator turned it green because it's yellow.
And I could put more in there, but I'm not
Don't get
gonna.
nothing on the shelf. What is this, bro?
What did you create?
Nala, just keep kneading it. Maybe it'll
Exactly,
go together.
just keep kneading. Why is there only water in there?
Nala, put some more activator in.
It's only
It's
liquid,
ruined.
dude. It's not even.
I'm gonna put 2 different colors in. So then,
Okay, can we like since you got yours
Ours isn't done yet. We're still kneading, adding stuff.
would you like me to help?
Why don't you just
Okay,
start
Nala,
over?
That's on
Use
you.
the rest of your glue. Start over.
Oh,
Nala, get up here.
I'm good. Leave me alone. Get away from me.
It's too chunky.
Get away. Leave me alone.
You need some more glue.
There's nothing in there.
Use
Move
some
your hand.
Yo, slimy hands getting all up in our faces.
That's water. It's water on that.
Yeah, put some
Okay,
water
let
in
me
it.
help
Put
you.
some water in it.
Oh my god, this is chunky.
Terrible.
You put too much activator.
I just want to be alone.
You want some? You want some of my glue? Okay.
Oh, look at
Look at you.
You better wipe it off the chair.
baby cow.
Wipe it off the chair. Y'all get in trouble.
Y'all,
Not y'all.
Kaylee, you.
My glue don't. My what the?
Baby, what's happening with you?
Watch mine.
It'll come out.
It wasn't me.
Wasn't I?
Get some bleach.
On the side of the chair too.
Bleach? No.
Yeah,
Don't
spray.
put no water.
Yeah, you gotta spray something.
You want some of my glue water?
What you gonna put? Wipe it off.
Get some bleach.
Why
Get
you
that.
spray?
Spray that. Spray that.
That's bleach.
Yeah, spray that.
Why would you spray?
Why would you spray
To
bleach
make
on
it
that?
rub off. What you mean?
On brown. On brown.
It's gonna make it ugly.
On the side. Like on the side of the sheet. Yeah.
Oh, that's
It's actually.
There we go. No, it's just wet.
Two different colors. Hey! Press your fingers. Oh, look.
Okay, now look at your stuff.
She get her work done. That's why she's being quiet. Don't you put do the no, why would you don't do that. Don't do that.
What was the meaning of that?
Y'all gonna mess up the couch. Y'all gonna mess up the thingy, the chair.
What would you do?
What chair are we gonna mess up? This wasn't even near the chair. Now, I think
Y'all need to sit down, cause my game's not even
it's hard to knead when sitting down. Well, Morgan can do it with Morgan, sure.
What does it mean? I don't even know what it means.
She said what? You need some lotion? No,
Nyla!
you could have fixed it.
I quit. You just wasted my money.
Shut up.
Now you
You
owe me
wasted
$1.
my time.
Now you owe me $1.
Two.
No.
No.
I mean, I still have one round to come back.
Well, you're
Well, you already got some points
you're
left
out of the
off.
running. You're disqualified. You keep.
Well, your clear slime could mess up.
My clear slime could mess up, but is it? No.
Yep. Well, it's okay. I lost, so it's okay. but I can make a comeback.
Oh my god, Mom, you got slime on the floor.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Y'all know y'all finna be mopping. Because it's not gonna be not
I
mopping.
think it's how they just mopped the floor.
Oh.
There's not like bleach in here.
There ain't nothing on the floor.
Oh, yours fluffy, Morgan.
It's fluffy slime.
No, it's like really fluffy because usually
It's fluffy slime.
this kind of shaving cream doesn't really work good.
Are you not hearing me? It's fluffy slime.
I need to put some more white.
Okay, Jesus. Well, y'all clean up. Y'all hurry up and clean up your area.
Can you let us finish our slime first?
Hurry up!
We get it. You threw your slime away, but. That slime's gonna be really. This girl just spun the freaking Hershey's. Nah, this girl done brought the Hershey's in here.
Oh, that's on my phone. Well, Nyla's all good, cause
Oh my gosh. Kids, you have to get all close up so then you can see the ASMR.
I'll do it. My hands are clean.
So now I have a cute purple and pink. I have a cute purple.
Oh Lord.
Because this pink, this purple ain't doing it.
Put the thing down. So you can see.
That's your ringtone?
That's my tone when somebody texts me. Why are you? Stop, Nyla.
Her fail. Y'all see that?
It's not a fail. You need to clean your bowl.
For what?
So you can, we're using the same bowl to clean.
Okay, I need that.
So y'all, it's okay. I lost, but I could, oh my gosh, okay.
Okay.
I can still come back.
Okay, so Tia, come.
No, I'm not ready. Never.
I just said that too.
Ma'am, no.
Did I put the camera right?
Oh.
Move, Morgan!
I was trying to see.
Next time I'll bring my gallon of glue.
There you go.
Can I play with your slime?
It's a little crooked. You know. Go fix it.
You fix it.
I know you like it, huh? Yeah.
It's so exciting.
Okay, go get your slime out the trash and then you go play with that one.
How am I gonna play with
Are you done?
No.
Y'all need to hurry up.
I'm going. This type of things take time.
No, it doesn't. You're just doing too much. My slime's ready.
Okay.
Make some shit for me.
Like you said, you make slime on the daily. I watch videos of people making slime on the daily, okay?
I don't even watch slime making because I play basketball. No, I only play basketball.
Nyla, you don't play as much basketball as I do.
Okay, I don't play no slime. I don't play none of those games. Tiaja, why is your camera crooked?
Because you set
You
the
messed
thing
it
up.
up. It was looking good, too.
Exactly, it was perfect.
Shut up. Stop. What are you doing? Well, you would have had
Beat the
this
club.
on right now. Take yourself. I want it. Thank you. This is a new jacket.
That's tough.
Y'all need to sit down.
Sit down.
What you tall? Well, not more. Okay, I'm ready for the next round.
Okay, Tiaja, can you come look at the slime so you can judge?
I wasn't even done.
I don't care. You're taking too long.
taking
You want
time.
Come on, Tiaja. You have to come. You have to get the camera so you can get the ASMR.
No.
So we got pink and purple.
Yeah. Who got better slime, Morgan or Kayla? Because Nyla's didn't even make the
Oh, that's wet.
What? It's not ice cream,
That's
Kayla.
wet.
But we're looking at the color. Which one's better? I have pink and purple. This girl has lime green.
Hers feel
Nyla, judge.
Mine feel
Let's see. You just touched the shaving cream. You did that on purpose.
Oh,
Yours feel like wetness.
So
my
one?
hands are wet.
Yeah.
But
Oh, yes.
what about color?
That don't mean nothing.
Color. Tajay, I need a second opinion.
I already got two people.
Feel her slime.
Look at her hands.
Feel her slime and feel her hands. She's sabotaged. First, she did.
You wanna know where it's at? It's right
She threw it
here.
away because she failed. So she threw it away. She raged.